Recycling is important in today's world if we want to leave this planet for our future generations. Plastic bottles and polyester thread are actually made of the same substance, polyethylene terephthalate. That's a mouthful we'll call if PET. Bottler travels all the way to a bottle recycling center where it's shredded to bits. Shredding is an important step. Unlike polyester, recycled polyester uses PET as the raw material. This is the same material that is used in clear plastic water bottles. Millions of plastic bottles that could have been choking marine life or filling up landfills have been given a second chance. The recycled polyester is environment friendly and is good on skin too.